Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Aya and I am so excited to share today's project with you. In this video, I will be using the most expensive dies I bought last month, which is the lovely layer Hoosier Cabinet by Honeybee Stamps and its add-on. So we have the baking add-on die, the holiday add-on, and the Hoosier Cabinet, which is the main die. And to complement these, I'll be also using the Homestead Harvest paper pad, the Wood Planks 3D embossing folder. I'm going to write the names in the description box for you for your reference. Okay, now into the die cutting. For the main cabinets and the first card, I went with a designer paper by scrapbook.com. You can also pick neutral tones like wood grain and beige, to give it this classic look. For the accents like the knobs, handles, and shelves, I use glitter cardstock by Tonic Studios. You will see my other cards, I used bright and contrasting colors to make them pop. I ran the dies through my die cutting machine. The dies cut out several pieces. So we have the cabinet frame, shelves, doors, drawers front, hardware details like knobs and handle. And to give all these die cuts more depth and realistic appearance, I lightly ink the edges using distress ink and blending brushes. So to put everything together, it's very easy to assemble it. Just gonna lay the cabinet frame flat on your surface, then adhere the shelves to their slots or designated position. You can use glue for a flat look or foam tape for added depth. I attached the small drawer fronts under the shelves. I also attached the hardware pieces using glue, but for fun twist, I used gemstone as knobs for the decorative touch. Now, to embellish the cabinet itself, I use the add-ons. So I use the baking and holiday add-on dies. I cut all the pieces from white cardstock and colored them with Copic markers. These details truly brought the cabinet into life. Once the cabinet was complete, I attached it to my card base. Now, let me share with you some tips. Using foam tape behind certain elements like the door or shelves is gonna create a dimension. You can also incorporate matte, glossy, or glitter papers for variety. Also, you can go vintage, modern, or rustic depending on your color palette and embellishments. I hope this video inspire you to use this die because the design possibilities are truly endless. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.